Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a CRM template in PDF Maker. So at first you would come to your PDF Maker dashboard and click on settings in the left navbar. Here you can see the CRM. You can just connect CRM. Here you just have to select a particular sub account that you want to connect with your PDF Maker account. As you could see, it's connected. Now go to the templates and create a new template. Here you can give any name to your template. Now in the data source, you would have to select CRM and click on next. Here you can select the types. There are two types: opportunity and contacts. Like what type of data you want to be there in your PDF from your particular CRM. I'd be using contacts. Now save generated PDF to CRM. Enable If you enable this and select an output, the particular PDF would be saved to your CRM media storage or that particular contact notes. So I'd be using contact notes and custom PDF name. If I enable this and I give the name in contact workflow, that name would be used and saved. The PDF would be saved by that name in your contact notes or media storage. I'll click on next. Here you can select all of the settings that you want, the like data, how you want to format your data. Uh, I'll let it remain like this only and click on next. Here you can see all of the variables you can use to make the particular PDF. So as you could see, I've already created. So now to preview how the document would look, you can just go to this preview eye icon and select a particular contact and click on preview. Here you can see how the final PDF would look. If you want to look in the full screen, you just click on this. After doing this, you can just save your particular template. Now, to automate this, you would have to go to your CRM dashboard and go to automation, create a workflow, and start it from scratch. Now, create, I'll select an action, generate PDF for contact. Now you can see the generated PDF name. If you would have enabled the custom name, this name would be the final PDF would be saved by this name only. So I'll select this and select template. It would show you all of the templates that you've just created in your PDF maker. You would just have to select a particular template for which PDF you want to generate. We just created this one, so I'll create this one and save action. You can just save it here as well. Now to test the workflow out, you can just go to text workflow and select a particular contact you want to generate a PDF for. Now to see the execution logs, you can just go to execution logs, and here you can see that this is added to the workflow and it's waiting. Now as you can see, this execution logs and it's finished. So let me go back and see at that particular contact. As we selected contact notes, so if I go to the particular contact and go to notes, here you can see the generated PDF is there, the link of the generated PDF. You can also find the PDF in the PDF Maker dashboard, like in this template. If I go to run history, you can see this and you can just download the PDF from here. So that's it.